everybody, it's Jaromsz here. So for today's video,
We are going to Splash Park, Bacolod. See you! Within the city center, one of the newest attraction in Bacolod, the Splash Park. The attraction is so accessible that you can even go here without private vehicle. From the gate, you need to walk 2 to 3 minutes going to the ticket booth. If you want a seamless transaction, you can purchase your ticket in advance via online, which is hindi namin ginawa because we went here unplanned and nagkayayaan lang. They have an ongoing promo of 300 pesos per person until the end of the month, so we took advantage of it. We went here on a weekday kaya walang pila sa booth. After we purchased our tickets, we went directly to the entrance. Papalapit pa lang kami pero some of the staffs meet us to assist in putting our wristbands. As we enter, Mr. Guard checked our bags. Welcome to Splash Park, Bacolod everyone. Don't forget to use sunblock kasi sobrang init dito sa loob. Before we start exploring the vicinity, syempre we check the map first. Get ready as we tour you around the place. They have train here if tamad kang maglakad para ikutin yung area, but every night lang siya nag-ooperate like around 7 PM onwards. So we will show you first what's inside. By the way, if it's your birth month, entrance fee is free as long as you bring a friend with you. Malapad pala yung place kaya worth it naman. This is the second water park that we explored because the first one was in 𝐭𝐨𝐶 and mas mahal yung entrance doon. They have nooks for rent here but we just get a locker since wala naman kaming dalang food. Actually, there is no carcage if you bring food as long as you rent a nook. But drinks are not allowed inside the park. Guests are welcome to bring drinking water as long as it is inside the tumbler to prevent accidents. They have 5 different pools, but the deepest I think is around 4 feet in the adult pool. Good location to unwind and cool off with your family and friends. And if you're a little thrill seeker, then this is the right place for you. This is their Negros pool, and on the other side is their lounging pool. The famous pool for kids is the Lala Lagoon. They have the same theme in the Seven Seas water park. Food carts are also available inside the premises. If you wasn't able to bring food, you can just purchase here. Yung mga nooks ay medyo malalayo sa pool, so di kayo pwedeng magsabay-sabay mag-swimming kasi need may magbantay sa mga gamit. So we opted to rent lockers. For the thrilling part, a must-try in their Sugar Rush. After we explore the pools, let's go here to check kung ano naman yung meron dito. So this is their park. Wide varieties of food courts are also available here. Affordable naman yung mga prices nila. Mas magandang pumunta dito in the afternoon like around 4 p.m. para hindi masyadong mainit. The park is open until 10 p.m. naman. Let's check first their viewing deck. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito. Surprise! So ayun nga, yung makikita mo dito sa viewing deck is the new government center. They also have nooks in the park, and the playground known as �𝐬𝐍𝐿 if ayaw mag-swimming ng mga kids. Let's go next to the Garden of Lights. Mas maganda yung view dito at night. Lastly is the Field of Colors. It's like the 10,000 roses in Cebu. They also have here a mini shop if you wasn't able to bring your swimwears and swimming gears. Let's go back inside na to enjoy their activities. Our first stop is in the Lala Lagoon. So even if you are not a kid, as long as you are still kids at heart, you can still enjoy here. We also tried their kids slide kasi may oras yung ibang activities and hindi pa nag-ooperate. And before we go to their sugar rush, we had some photo op first in their lounging pool. Here you go, our first slide. Make sure that you're ready when you slide here kasi magugulat ka na lang na nakakalula pala siya. Ayan, may paturo-turo pa na doon naman daw sa dilaw. Syempre, I tried for the experience lang. And for this red slide, pwede rito kahit kids. And we saved the best for last. Ito yung slide na binabalik-balikan ng lahat. Since 5 p.m. pa nag-open yung Safari River, we chill first in the adult pool. Best in Marites here. Here you go, the Safari River in Splash Park, Bacolod. The last activity that we tried. Wala kang gagawin kundi sumakay lang at sumabay sa agos ng tubig hanggang sa makaabot sa dulo. Overall, we had a fun experience and a splashtastic time at the Splash Park, Bacolod.
That's it for today. See you on the next video.